Potato.
Potato?
Yep.
Sweet potato, is that what they are?
They're just red, Norland potatoes. I thought that was a big potato.
Ones like get bigger over time?
Yeah, if I left them longer, but these have a problem with wireworms eating them.
So we have to get them
I
out.
just harvest them early, yeah. Sometimes I harvest them early. These are called new potatoes when you harvest them young.
This is really small. It's like a newborn.
Yeah, that one I'll probably save for a seed for next year's garden. But these can be eaten. They're like bite-sized potatoes.
Ooh.
You finding any good ones in here? Look.
This is why my standing like this. I think that's really fine.
Nice.
The potato.
Are those russet potatoes?
They're red Norland.
I'm a fan. Godzilla. Protein.
Mmm.
This thing is huge.
Yummy.
Size of my fingers. Ew. Can you make some sweet ham like for supper tonight? Is it the black one?
Yeah.
Ooh. Big juicy one. Look at the sour ones. These are really good though.
He goes to finish it off. And maybe it needed longer.
Are you not able to eat these red ones? Raspberry. It's way more easy, like break something. That was sweet.
That's sweet.
Yes, Muffin.
Yep. And then wash your hands after you're done. Everybody's gonna be like, oh, they're putting Mylz to work out there. He's not having fun.
That's why he's here.
Hey, good job. Hey, we can pour the rest of it out if there's any more. Yeah, see, they're pretty smart. Most people wouldn't have thought of getting them all the way around there. Now they're gonna be stuck. It's concrete.